Unfortunately, I will be returning my Shark PowerPro Flex, not because it's the first stick vacuum that actually bends so you can deep clean underneath your furniture and get all the dust bunnies, or because the suction power is just as good, if not better, than my $800 vacuum, but I'll be returning this because look at what they're charging in stores versus the deal they've got going on right here, okay? Ain't no way I was gonna overpay for this. Not only does it let you get a deep clean underneath your furniture, but you can also deep clean on top because it comes with multiple attachments for your upholstery, and it's got a self-cleaning brush roll so those long strands do not get tangled in the brush roll. Truly a pet owner's dream vacuum. All the stick vacuums I've tried, this is hands down the one that has the most features and is gonna give you the best bang for your buck. I'm gonna tag where you can find this one below on sale now.